Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will just explain why I haven't been uploading, and actually there is two main reasons. One of them is a kind of bad reason, because I lost my sister about 2 months ago with only 33 years old, and it was like really hard for me, and many times I thought about quitting YouTube and many other things, but I need to continue to do something for me. But yeah, it was the one of the main reasons. So another reason is that been raining a lot in Portugal for the last 2 months, and as you know, if you follow me for a little bit of time at least, you know that I don't have a closed space to make my videos, and I have to work outside, so if it's raining I cannot do nothing, I cannot record, so of course that is the reason also. So guys, as you saw in the title, in this video I will also update and show you what is missing to finish the car, because I need to finish this car and sell it, start another product that I already have. I will show you very soon, but I need to finish the car to sell it and start another project. I've been driving this car for the last 2 months to understand if there is any problem that I didn't saw before, and actually because this car it's really economic, and the fuel increases a lot, so I've been driving this car for the last 2 months, 3, I'm not sure, but it's 2 or 3 months, to go to work, get back home, and I found out there's 2 more problems that I didn't realize before, but I will show you what is missing to finish the car. Okay, so let's go. So guys, outside what is missing, I want to paint, you know, these grills right here, the fog lights. I want to paint these plastics. That is something that I want to do. So guys, right now the car is really dirty because I don't wash the car for a long time actually. I think I never wash it after I paint the car, so it's very dirty right now. But one of the things that I'm gonna do, it will be the last of course, it's gonna detail all the car, polish the car, the inside, take care of the inside, and give a nice looking to the outside. One thing that I need to do is to replace, or at least try to replace, because I never replaced this kind of stoplight. This is not working. I have already bought a new one, because I'm afraid that I'm gonna break it when I'm trying to remove, because this have like a kind of silicone, and I'm not sure if when I try to remove this gonna break or not, so I bought a new one. If I break it I have a new part. Outside it's basically that, it's to detail, and the stoplight is not working. Mainly the things that is missing is inside. I'm gonna show you what is going on right now, because I'm trying to fix one of the problems. So as you can see, there is a lot of plastics on the truck, because I had to remove the panel to fix a problem right here on the inside. There is a lot of parts here also, you can see. Let me show you. There is a lot of things inside. The reason that I had to disassemble this entire things, it's because when I bought the car I already know that the car don't have hot air inside, only get cold air. At the beginning I thought there is a problem with the heater core, but then I realized that that's not the problem. There is flaps that open and close when you change to hot or cold, and that flap open or close when you change it. The thing is, the engineers of Volkswagen have the great idea to have some sponge on that flap, on a metal flap, but they left holes on that flap. I cannot film that, but I don't have access, but I'm gonna show you right now in a picture so you can understand. So what I'm gonna do is to do what everyone do, that is put a bit of tape on that flap to close that holes. So I'm gonna try to add today a bit of tape. I'm not record that. As you can see, this is a mess. It's a kind of thing that I don't like to do, but I had to do it. And fortunately, it's not the heater core the problem, because it will be even worse to fix. Inside, what is missing also, I install a new radio. It's missing the antenna connection. I'm gonna change also the sound columns, because this one, on the passenger side, it have a lot of noise, so I prefer to replace, and the sound, it's okay. You can hear nice music at least. Now it's having a lot of noises. It's annoying. Here on the driver's side, it was my fault. I drive the car without these panels, and basically I put the window down and something break inside. I need to check the elevator. Maybe I have to replace the elevator. I'm not sure. I didn't check it yet, because I have another problem here. Since I bought the car, there is a air leak in this door latch, and I need to fix that. I didn't saw yet what is need to be fixed. I'm not sure. I only know that I have a leak. So in the engine, what is missing? As I told you in the beginning of the video, I've been driving the car for the last 2 months, and I realized when I'm driving the car don't work on 90 degrees, which should work. Basically because I believe the thermostat is damaged. I will make a video with the replacement, because sometimes that helps a lot. I'm gonna show you what happened. I'm trying to drive like 10 kilometers to show you that the car just don't get the right temperature. It only works like in the 70 degrees. It should work on the 90 degrees. This is common problems. This could have many causes, but I believe the thermostat is damaged. And guys, another thing that I realize is that the tie rods needs to be replaced. I already ordered the tie rods, and also the thermostat I also ordered. I'm waiting that arrive, and I'm gonna show you also the replacement of the tie rods. Guys, I'm not sure if it's missing something. Probably it's missing a few items, because I believe it's missing like 12 items, if I'm not wrong, 12 items to check. But many of them are, you know, minor things that I want to do. I already spent a lot of money in this car. I need to finish the car, sell it to someone that at least I believe it will take care of the car. I put a lot of effort in this car, and of course when I finish everything, I'm gonna detail everything, list it for sale, sell the car, and start another project. I don't like to do this kind of videos. If you are my subscriber, you know that I don't make videos speaking without stop, but at this moment I felt it was important to show you what is missing to finish the car, and speak about a little bit what was the reason that I haven't been uploading. I hope you understand. So guys, thanks for the support for this last 2 years. It's been a great experience, and without you I can do nothing. So guys, thanks for everything, thanks for watching, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.